to a video by Abron Export. This is aggregate impact value apparatus. It has four parts. One, this is a body where we have inside we put the sample of this one core, and this one chamber is only for packing, and then sample is put it in this, and then we compact the sample with this, and then there is this one is a lock which is automatically used with this. This one has a counter, how many counts you have done. This one is an adjustment for automatic, so that the pin is released automatically, and when this reaches you, it will reach you, the instrument will come with both the sides open like this. So you have to just assembling is only two sections. One is this section, another is this. Both these rods are to be attached. The rest is, this one is for making, you can see the counter here, it automatically changes the counting as per as every count. This one will change, so that this will change from 1 to 10 how many counts you have to do. And then you, before doing it, you have to just take it out, then take it below, then automatically it locks. Then you have to lift it, and when it reaches the top, it will be released. When it reaches, this will release the top portion, this automatically releases, so this bumps into the compacting there. And when it is not in use, keep this key back so that it does not fall. And you have to compact 5, 6, 7 times, 10 times, and then weigh the sample again with the sieves, how many compaction has been done. And then please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel. And WhatsApp number, share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.